Deoraíocht, the Irish word for exile. When we are disconnected from our authentic selves, we often feel a deep yearning, a sense of exile within. The philosopher Kierkegaard once said, "I believe that there is a longing in my soul that searches the whole world." This longing can be a hunger for reconnection with the exiled parts of ourselves, the parts of ourselves that are disconnected due to early childhood or intergenerational trauma. Jungian analyst James Hillman wrote, "To enable us to learn how to know ourselves, we need history, for the past continues to flow through us in 100 channels." Deepening the Senses programs are a journey of personal development and discovery through the lens of Jungian depth psychology, psychotherapy, Irish myth, folklore, poetry, language and heritage. It is a visual and visceral exploration of Deoraíocht and how to reawaken a felt sense of belonging, a sense of a home within.